Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make orange egg in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to make colorful egg, we need to have the original egg recipe. And you can get the recipe from this event, Revival Hymn, and go to the exchange store. And you can buy the egg food recipe here with the Spirit's Bunny Pum Pum. And once you have the recipe, you can go to your stove and you're going to make the colorful egg, specifically the orange egg. Okay, this is the original recipe. And you can replace the milk with apple. Then you can start cooking and you will create orange egg. I've already unlocked the recipe, so I'm going to use it. Okay, this is the recipe for the orange egg. You need egg and also apple, and you will create the colorful egg, especially the orange egg. You wait, it's still loading. Almost done. All right, and I've just made the orange egg. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the colorful egg, specifically the orange egg in Heartopia during the Wonder Egg Hunt event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!